Welcome back to another video, guys. This is me unboxing the Aeotec Smart Home Hub. Let's unbox this. So here we go. Here's the hub. It comes with a little plastic covering over it. It's very nice. Got an Ethernet, USB, and DC jack. Here we have the warranty card. Of course, the warranty card. Oh, warranty cards. And then we have the manual. So it gives you a QR code to scan to download the app to pair it. Then in here we have a DC jack to USB cable. It's very long, so that's good. We have a standard Samsung USB wall charger. It's just what you'd get in a Samsung phone back in the days. We have a very, very, very lovely and beautiful Ethernet cable with metal housed and enclosed. It is amazing. Here we have some ASMR. Beautiful. And here's the DC jack. Don't forget to follow and like, guys.